Ono muganda wange. Bro.
Tuli ba Luganda. Tuli ba Luganda, leka tekikyo okulegeeza.
Nze nazze kola genda. Sirwanisa muntu, sirwanisa promoter sina buzibu. Nazze kufuna zange genda waka kwebaka. Ate munange nzabaleeta. Sinzabaleeta. Sirwanisa muntu yenna nazze kola. Bokaini omumanyi yimbira mumpolere. Ostegedde. Nembaleke bakole. Ate munange industry yafeka tuli awo tutuuse. No, we are rising up. Today. Bajalo for today. But don't know for today based on you. Then the international. Tobola banumbye wane wange went today. Sigenze uwe. Yeah. Bana tukola nyonyo and God is good. We thank God for the industry bageri open. We are working. Thanks to our fans. Bajula mbibulu bajja banji. Yeah, it feels good. Ese nyimba nzimbira mmwe abagalana. Nzimbira mmwe ne bakazi bammwe zesibiri. Era ofuna gwakaweereza mu kimugunye eyo magezi. Kayimbira mmwe abagalana. Tunokola sente. Olagala mbe mu lockdown nzijabuze mu nze karo mbe bove mu nze karo. Inokwitawo. We have to break through. Yes. Yeah, we are planning. Kuno mwaka ntegeka. I know first do a very small festival for my youths. Abana abato abali mu high school. Maybe first time holiday. Then I'll plan bigger after. Abato, yes. Then malengo let something bigger masao. Yeah. I think it takes music and I have the music. It takes fans, I have the fans. And it takes God, I have my God. So it can happen. I'm a stage goddess. Nebo nsanga nga nakazuka no pa microphone so kukubaka volo. I'm naturally a stage queen. I know how to handle stage, how to handle my audience. I love what I do. I rehearse for it. So it makes me a stage goddess. I look flawless. It makes me a goddess. Yes. Ayambala obubi. Sigalekera kwambala bannaye nga bwe njagala kwambala. Sijja kuchenyenyako. I will never change and I will never be anything apart from what you see right now. Never. Because in the music industry. We shall dress how we wanna when we wanna. No, I think choyimba choyambala. Singa mbadde sija nyimba nga remba nga nyambala wenti wandigade omuwala abadde ki. Ayagala nyimbe balance nga nyambadde Gomez. So